love a glueless wig, but this one is too big and it's definitely not glueless. Let me show you how I can make any wig glueless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make it fit more snug and also make it glueless using the elastic band method. So for this method to work, the placement of the elastic band on your head is very key. So you're going to place it from ear to ear while it is stretched out. So it shouldn't be relaxed, it should be stretched out. So I've made a mark using my hand and I'm just going to cut it over there. And then you are going to place the wig on your head and mark where it lines up with the ear. Then you're going to take off the wig and sew the bands on the inside where you made the mark. The elastic band is now on and this is how it looks. So in general, this wig fits more snug, like I can feel it, like the entire head over here, it fits more snug. But the most important part when it comes to it being glueless is that this area, the lace area, is also flapping down and it is touching my forehead. Before, this area over here was very loose and was not touching my skin. Okay, so let me finish installing and styling this wig, and at the end we'll see if I've managed to achieve what I wanted to achieve: a snug, glueless closure wig. So if you found this video helpful, I know for sure that you will love this next video. Please make sure to tap or click on the video in the top frame, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.